blizzard warnings in effect right now. Winds are going to be 60, snow that heavy. It will be a zero visibility condition tomorrow afternoon. And this is the wind we're seeing with the storm. It is a significant snowstorm for all of the Northeast.
This is just amazing scenery, isn't it? This is in Planet Zoo. I wish they had this in Planet Coaster as well. But hey, I mean, look at this. It's a blizzard. And it's been snowing all through the night as well. So there are various different weathers available in Planet Zoo, as well as rainstorms. We're going to have a look at one of those a bit later on. Nighttime, of course, that isn't the weather, but it's just a different part of the day rather than just sunshine and everything. And of course it's snow. It will just lay naturally on all your buildings, on all your scenery, everywhere you build everything. The snow is going to come down and naturally lay on top of it as well, including all the trees and the park benches if you put them there, and the litter bins and the rocks. And everything just carries on as per normal as well. Everybody's running along with their balloons. How many parks do you think really would still operate in the snow as well without taking care of those piles? It does look absolutely wonderful though, doesn't it? When the snow's just laid, you get this blanket of snow on the ground. If you have a look underneath the trees there, you'll notice where the snow either hasn't laid or it's melted somehow, which is quite a natural thing to happen. It's quite real, isn't it, this? It does look like it's real snow, doesn't it? That's incredible, that really is. And it's still coming down hard and fast. Suppose if they can make it safe enough for tourists to come into the park, the pathways and everything, then I'm sure that they would happily open such a park. But those paths don't look too clear to me, do they? Love these lampposts. I'm not sure about these alligators. These are North American alligators. They're going to be used to the hot weather, aren't they? So it's a bit of a shock to the system, I'll say. And you notice the backgrounds, and that will happen when you've got extreme snowstorms and blizzards, that the background would just disappear. It would just completely mist over, just exactly as it is right now. The atmospherics in this is just so real, it's unbelievable. Thought I'd try and see what this looks like at night time as well. So yeah, I can actually see a little bit more here because of the lights. Still the background visibility is just not there, is it really? You can't see the hills or anything. And that's kind of what I like, really. So the visibility at night on here does look a lot better, even though it's snowing heavily. Don't think these people ever sleep at all. They just carry on 24 hours. I really don't know. Wouldn't that be beautiful, just flying over somewhere like this at night time, or even at daytime as well, and seeing this. So back to daytime now, and it stopped snowing, and as if by magic, which it surely is, it's melted away. It's completely melted away, but the skies are grey, so that's another effect that you can actually have within Planet Zoo. You can have more of a sort of a natural looking sky rather than completely bright sunshine, which is also lovely. It's still a natural state, I know, but in a lot of places you will get clouds from time to time, and you've got it today. But I would call it what you would call it, a hazy, overcast day, something like that. Yeah, look, there's a break in the clouds up there. I like this setting. This is lovely, this one. Yes, it's a mild sort of mist. The further you go away, the more it builds up, as it should do. We're going to take a look in the elephants' enclosure. I'm sure they weren't too happy with all that snow about. They're not used to it. I wonder what they do though when you've got some of the animals in some of the countries where it does snow. How do they deal with them? Now they're starting to get a little bit thicker now, so very, very shortly we're going to be coming into a rainstorm. Yeah, I told you so.
Doppler, and over the past couple of hours, you can see those showers really shrinking in terms of how much shower activity we're seeing and the intensity of those showers as well. Little showers skirting right down the coast, just offshore from San Francisco. A few more showers for the North Bay, and in the higher terrain of the Santa Cruz Mountains and the Diablo Range. A few showers in the East Bay, but all of this is going to fade out.
This is just torrential, isn't it? Just pouring everywhere. That's heavy. There's really heavy rain. And again, the rain will cause a mist to all the background areas. That's exactly what it does do in real life. We're getting our money's worth now. It's coming back into the snow again. A complete wonderland of white. Go for another day. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this white scenery. It's just unbelievable, isn't it? Thank you very much once again for watching. Going to see you all again very soon on YouTube. Do not forget to subscribe so you can be up to date with all my latest uploads. I'll see you all again very soon. Thanks. Bye.